Hi everyone. If you own a pool, you know the annoying part is not always the big cleaning day. It's the little stuff that lands on the surface every single day and makes the water look messy again. Today I'm sharing my personal experience with the Beatbot iSkim robotic pool skimmer and why it has changed the way I take care of my pool. Before using this, I was constantly grabbing the skimmer net. Leaves, bugs, grass clippings, flower petals, seeds, pollen. Somehow there was always something floating around. And if I didn't catch it quickly, it would sink to the bottom, which meant my floor cleaner had even more work to do. That is where the iSkim really made the biggest difference for me. Instead of waiting for debris to sink, it patrols the surface and collects it while it is still floating. In the first full day of use, it picked up the kind of debris I normally expect to see after wind, yard work, or just a normal day outside. Petals, insects, leaves, and bits of grass. Visually, the pool just looked calmer and cleaner because there was no layer of random stuff drifting across the top. One of my favorite things is how independent it feels. I can just place it in the pool and let it go. It moves around on its own, skimming the water surface while I'm doing something else. I don't have to stand there with a net, and I don't have to keep checking the water every few hours before swimming. When I want to get in, the pool is much more likely to already look ready. The solar charging has also been a big part of the convenience. In sunny conditions, it keeps itself going impressively well. I've been able to let it run through the day, keep it in the pool overnight, and then watch it recharge again in the sun while continuing to work. In a full sun pool, battery life has not been something I've had to worry about much. I've seen it run basically all the time, and even after overnight use, it can still have plenty of battery left and recharge back up during the day. That leave it alone feeling is really the whole point of this product. I don't want another pool gadget that creates a new chore. With this, the routine is simple. When the basket needs attention, I remove it, dump the debris, rinse it out, spray off the outside of the unit, wipe it down if needed, and put it back in the water. The maintenance only takes a couple of minutes. The basket is also a good size. I'm not emptying it every hour. For normal use, I can let it run and only empty it a few times a week, depending on what is falling into the pool. During heavier debris periods, like windy days, pollen season, or when leaves are dropping, I would check it more often. But compared with manually skimming every day, it is a huge time saver. I also like how well it pairs with a separate floor cleaner. If you already use a robotic cleaner or a suction side floor cleaner, the iSkim helps by reducing how much debris reaches the bottom in the first place. That means the floor cleaner can focus more on the pool floor, instead of dealing with leaves and bugs that could have been removed from the surface. Together, it feels much closer to a complete cleaning setup. One machine handling the top, another handling the bottom. In my pool, that combination made the water look consistently cleaner. Less floating debris means less mess settling down later. It also gives the pool that sparkling look more often because the surface is not constantly covered with tiny distractions. If you live near trees, open land, grass, flowers, or even a desert area with bugs and leaves blowing around, this kind of surface skimmer makes a lot of sense. The app control is useful too, especially for manual steering. Most of the time I don't need to touch it because the skimmer does its own thing. But if I see a leaf or bug in a specific spot, I can steer the iSkim toward it. The controls are responsive enough for occasional manual use. I wouldn't say the manual driving feels perfect though. One small downside is that steering can feel a little awkward, because forward movement and turning do not feel as natural together as I would like. If you are trying to chase one specific leaf, it can feel a bit jerky. For regular automatic cleaning, this does not matter much, but it is noticeable in remote mode. Another small thing I noticed is the shape of the front. The angled design can create a little wake, and sometimes tiny pieces of debris get pushed away, instead of getting pulled in immediately. It still collects a lot, but with very small debris, pollen, or lightweight pieces floating on the surface, it may take more passes. Sometimes a stray piece can also float out near the front when the unit reverses. The sensors are helpful overall, especially for moving around the pool and avoiding some obstacles, but they are not flawless. If you have floating items like a chlorine tablet floater, a pool thermometer, or small pool toys, the skimmer may bump into them or get caught up briefly. I've also heard that plastic on plastic sound when something gets near the intake. So I think it works best when the pool surface is mostly clear of extra floating accessories. The outer body can also pick up scratches, especially around the front area that sticks out. For me, that is more cosmetic than functional. But it is worth knowing if you expect it to stay perfect looking. It is a working pool robot, so it is going to bump, rub, and move around constantly. One important point, this unit is very focused on solar convenience. Some people may not care that it does not come with a power cord, because in strong sunlight, you may never need one. But if your pool does not get much sun, or if the unit arrives without much charge, that could be frustrating. In a sunny pool, the solar setup is a major advantage. In a shaded or cloudy environment, your experience may depend more on how much light it gets. For me, the biggest benefit is the time saved. Skimming used to be one of those small daily jobs that added up. 20 minutes here, 10 minutes there, grabbing the net before swimming, checking after wind, cleaning up bugs at night. It gets old. With the Beatbot iSkim, I'm not constantly reacting to the pool. It is already working in the background. Overall, I think the Beatbot iSkim is a very useful product for pool owners who deal with floating debris and want less daily maintenance. It is not perfect. Manual steering could be smoother. Tiny debris can sometimes get pushed away, and floating accessories may confuse it. But the core job, keeping the surface cleaner with minimal effort, it does very well. If you already have a floor cleaner, this makes even more sense because it helps stop debris before it sinks. If you don't, it still makes the pool look cleaner and more inviting day to day. My balanced take is this: if your pool gets good sunlight and you are tired of manually skimming leaves, bugs, pollen, and grass, the Beatbot iSkim is absolutely worth considering. It turns one of the most repetitive pool chores into something that mostly happens on its own. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.